Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, rear view camera, power seats, cloth seat trim. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.